Bermuda urgently needs caring professionals, and our nursing assistant shortage is real, and you can help. If you've completed a continuing care worker certificate, geriatric aid program, or BHB auxiliary training, our bridging course fast-tracks your path to certified nursing assistant registration. It's also great if your BNMC certification has lapsed or you're earning professional development hours. The program consists of 4 full days of workshops and 21 hours of clinical time. The workshop dates are October 16th and 17th and November 13th and 14th, running from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day. Clinicals are scheduled separately after those 4 workshop days are complete, where you'll refine your skills in our state-of-the-art laboratories equipped with high-tech simulations and gain valuable experience in real clinical settings on island, working alongside healthcare professionals in active care environments. Apply now at www.college.bm or email cna@college.bm. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated on programs that build a healthier Bermuda. Be the heart our community needs.